Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my favorite part of all, cash envelope stuffing my budget binder. Yeah, that is my favorite because it's extra cash that's going to me. All right. Okay, so we're going to actually be doing that. I like to break it up because I remember I used to do it all together, but by breaking it up, doing different sections kind of helps me keep things pretty much organized and make it more realistic instead of trying to like scrunch everything pretty much together. So let's go ahead and let's get started. It is super early in the morning and I have a lot to do, so I need to get this video done and get myself together and ready and get Aiden ready. So I'm gonna let him sleep in just a little bit more so he can get some sleep because he's always saying I'm sleepy. So you know how little kids are. All right, so we got 50, 100, 50, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. All right, so we got 370. As you can see, we only have 320 here. And I am going to be adding $50 to my emergency fund. Because I try to start, y'all, when I say that I pretty much started back over, I started back over, like, with my budget. So I'm, like, pretty much starting from scratch. So if you are starting from scratch, we doing this together, y'all. We doing this together. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my emergency fund. Y'all, I scraped my finger, my nail, and my little nail polish came off. I'll just have to take just that one off and redo it. I was like, I don't know if I was hurt more because I hit my finger or if I was hurt because I chipped my nail polish, right? I don't know which one it was. Okay, so we have 50, so we got 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right, so we got 150. So that goes in emergency fund. So we can go ahead and just put this to the side. Now I am going to be updating my trackers because I found that by me actually doing that, it has actually, put this under here, it has actually really helped. So and then we're going to be pretty much, I guess I should have pretty much unstuffed my wallet, but we'll just put like the extra cash here, or we'll just put it here and we'll kind of like pretty much figure it out. Okay. All right, so first we have boba, and as you can see, boba, we have 0 left and we have 0 in here. So we're going to actually just add $5 to that. So we're going to do one $5 bill. And boba, y'all, is bubble tea. Y'all know. I'm gonna put this here. Bubble tea. I'm just gonna turn that over that way. Okay, so next we have crisp. Crisp, I don't have anything. I did get me a good salad. And I know a lot of you guys say, what is crisp? Crisp is like a homemade salad place. I know a couple of you said one time I mentioned this, that you guys had a crisp there. They make like their homemade ranch. It is like the best ever. Like the best ever. All right, so we're gonna add $10 to that. So, we're gonna do a $10 bill. Oh gosh, y'all, I have seen on Facebook ads that someone is actually, y'all be careful because someone is actually like using the ads. Somebody messaged me on Instagram and they said someone is using my pictures and putting it on an ad on Facebook for my 52 weeks and my 1K binder. So y'all be careful. Y'all know that that is not me. I don't know. It's just crazy. Just crazy. All right, so 80, we're gonna do 804. We add cash. Made me forget my thing. Yeah, so I don't know. People are crazy, y'all. I have no idea. Yeah, so I did see that. I was like, what in the world? But you can tell it's like one of those sites that's not legit. So hopefully people don't fall for it. Yeah. All right, so next we have 805 and we got add cash, and we got $10, so that is $10. Okay, all right, so we have $10 for crisp, and we did put that in there. All right, so next we have groceries. We are going to be doing $120, and we don't have anything in groceries, so that will give us $120. So we're actually going to be doing 250s. Y'all, this is going to go actually pretty fast because I don't have a lot to stuff, but this right here will get me until my next cash stuffing, because some of these I do have some money in there, and so I might end up rolling it over because I wasn't able to actually get what I needed to get. So we have 50, 120. So we have that. 104, add cash. What is everybody's favorite place to eat? That's what I want to know. What is your favorite place to eat? Mine's is, I know that sounds crazy. I love going to Crisp. I can go there like every single day. Just put in the comments, what is your favorite place to eat? Now, this is not encouraging you to go splurge and spend your money on eating out. But yeah, I would like to know, what is everybody's favorite place to eat? So we got 120. All right. I know Aiden, he tried Zaxby's and he loves Zaxby's. Like, that's his favorite place. So next we have gas. So gas we have, let's see how much we have in here. So I have 20, 40, 1 for 2 for 3, 44. So we got $44 in here, and I'm going to be adding $50. So I'm just going to roll that over. So 804. So add cash. So I said $44. I am not adding $44. That's how much I got left. All right, so we're gonna do 50, 94. And I put it in here too, so when I'm like out and about, I can know exactly what I have in my envelope. All right, so let's go ahead and add one $50 bill. So we got 50, 67, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. So we got $94 for gas. Personal and gas, I live closer to my job, so I'm not using as much gas as what I thought I was going to use. And as you can see, the money is actually pretty much staying a lot in there, because I think I need to go grab some gas today, but that shouldn't, I mean, I haven't filled up in when was the last time I filled up? 731. I guess that's not too bad. No, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, considering we're in the city and we're stop and going. So I filled up with $25, and then I'm trying to think, I might be able to go another day without getting gas, so I'm not sure. But I'm not trying to get all the way down to E like I normally used to do, so I'm trying to do better. I'm trying to get better at that, right? All right, so personal, I did go get, I did get my hair, what do you call it? Wash, deep condition treatment, and then pressed out, so it's like straight. And she put like these little curls. She told me to do pin curls, y'all. Them pin curls won't, no joke. This one I got up, I was like, what did I do last night? So I'm just gonna rock my hair the way it looks. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but I have got to get on TikTok or get on YouTube to try to figure out how to do the proper way of pin curls at nighttime. All right, so personal, we got 804. And we're going to add cash. And then we should have $12 in here. 10, 11, 12. So we're actually going to be adding $30. And so that should make us have $42. So we're going to do a 20 and a 10. And then I got to put where I remove the change to. 92, and then I did because that's going in my change box today. All right, so .92, so that leaves me with $42. So 20, 30, 41, 42. Yep. All right, so next, Aiden, y'all. Aiden went to Target and got him this little, I was so proud of him. He was like, it's on sale, but it was on clearance. It hit the little yellow sticker. He got him a Lego set. It was like $20. It's 75 cents. So I just gave him the 75 cents. But yeah, so he used his little money. He was very proud. And yeah, he was super excited because he was like, I have $20 in my wallet. Yeah. When he sees toys, he remembers that money. But I'm like, buddy, you don't need that. So Aiden, we're actually, oh gosh, I'm skipping my baby. Ooh. Aiden, we're actually going to add $20 to his. So that's supposed to be, I was like, we don't have 20. I put negative 20. So that's 0. So we got $20. Okay. All right. So Aiden, we are adding, we don't have anything in there. So we're adding $20. So he's going to have just $20. All right. So next we have Eat Out. And Eat Out, y'all, I've been hitting the bagel place. Look. But I did go buy me some bagels when we went to get groceries last time. I got some bagels. I got some fresh sour cream. No, I got some fresh chives, cut them up, and I got the whip Philadelphia cream cheese. I got that, yeah. And so I started like toasting my everything bagel, and it doesn't taste exactly like it, but it will make it, because I'm pretty much going to make one of those for my breakfast this morning. All right, so we should have $7 in there. And we are going to be adding 40, so we should have $47 and 20, 30. And I'm getting smaller bills so that just in case if I go somewhere with someone, I can give, like, if we go in on something, I can say, here, I have change, or for tips. So I kind of got away from that, but need to get back with that. Okay, so that's $40, so we should have $47. All right, so we got that. Oops, let me count this money, make sure I got it right. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46. We're missing $1. Ah, why are we missing? I don't know, we're missing $1. So we need to do $46. So we're somewhere in here. We're missing $1, y'all. But that's okay. It's not going to be perfect. Okay. All right. So for Dollar Tree, we should have $2 left. All right. So we got $2. So $5. So we should have $7 because I'm only adding $5 to that. So we're going to do a $5 bill. So 804. So add cash. $5, so we should have $7. And then household, I haven't had a chance to go by Sam's to get our paper towels and stuff, so this should be $40 exactly. And then we're actually going to add $30 to this because I need to get some more supplies, so that'll be $70. So we're going to do 120 and 110. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 70. So we're going to do 804. I like doing this because I like going back, seeing like what I did and what I brought. So it makes it pretty. You can say like, I brought that. Why did I need that? I didn't need that. All right, so next we have giving. And then we're going to do 804. And then how much do we have in here? We should have $10. Yep, we got $10. And then we're going to do add cash. And then we're going to do $10, and then we're going to have $20. And like I said, this is like if somebody at work saying they're tired, or I wish I had Joe Bean's coffee, which, y'all, Joe Bean's is the best. Like, I have my little coupon. I haven't had a chance to stop up there. I might stop up there today because I don't have any coffee pods. So I am glad that I did say that, because I probably will stop up there to get me a cup of coffee because I'm already going to make my bagel at home. So, and I have a card where I get a free, I think it's a free large. So I'm going to get my sugar-free mocha. Yeah, I love the sugar-free mocha. It is so good. Their coffee is, I don't know, it's not super strong. It's just right. And another thing is they're super friendly up there. All of them, they're all friendly at all of the little barn things that they have. Is it barn? Yeah, I think it's like a little barn thing. All right, so let's go ahead and add this up. So we got 44 plus $12, $7, $2, 40, and 10. All right, so we got 115. All right, so this should be 320. So we got $5 plus $10, 120, 94, 42, 20, 47, $7, 70, and 20. So we got 435. Okay. All right, so this is all we're doing for this right here. So we can go ahead and write 320. For D. All right, and then I will be back with doing my paycheck budget. So that right there will be the bills that I have that is due from the 4th to the 17th, because we get paid on the 18th next, because I always stop on the day before, because the next day, all of those bills that are coming out on the 18th through the rest of the month will be from that paycheck. All right, so thank you guys so much for chilling with me through this video. This was super fast and quick, and I do have to end up taking my coins out, but I will take those out in another time, or maybe do it just behind the scenes. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for chilling with me. And if you have not already hopped over to my Instagram, it's called 𝗗𝗚𝗏𝗧, and my TikTok is called 𝗗𝗚𝗏𝗧. Couldn't get it out. And then also my website is 𝗗𝗚𝗏𝗘, and I am working on orders, so orders will be going out. So I'm doing them in bulk, and I'm doing them as fast as I can, y'all. And then I have Aiden, he comes over and be like, what you doing? And I'm like, I gotta get this. And then I have to get his police car. I just went upstairs earlier to go get it. And I'm like, why do you need 6 police cars? But anyways, so thank you guys so much for your patience. And then like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.